high heaven signifies wise man's strategy. White earth represents gentle man's mind. Between heaven and earth are numerous engineering miracles. First of China, records of the world. Across the summits, leading the way. China Railway 15th Bureau Group, a well-known contractor of China, developing from the Gobi Desert to Central Plains and all the way to Shanghai, with footprints at the riverside of Huangpu River, with a new majestic appearance, and actively plays its role in the Belt and Road Initiative to create a new era of engineering in China and even in the world. Headquartered in Shanghai, China Railway 15th Bureau Group Company Limited, subsidiary of CRCC, which ranks 58th in Fortune Global 500. It was formerly known as the 5th Division and 6th Division of the Railway Corps of the People's Liberation Army, which had been tested in the war times, famous for constructing the iron transportation line, and was converted into a company after participation in the parade on the National Day in 1984. In the past 70 years, China Railway 15th Bureau Group has grown into a large integrated state-owned special graded enterprise, covering businesses sectors of engineering contracting, survey and design, capital management, operation and maintenance, logistics and trade, real estate development, industrial manufacturing, and overseas contracting. It can provide one-stop service embracing the whole industry chain to customers. In particular, it has obtained the first contractor qualification certificate in Shanghai, named 4 special qualifications and 4 first classes. It also has 82 national and provincial and ministerial level engineering method and 225 authorized patents. The central government has authenticated China Railway 15th Bureau Group Company Limited as Enterprise Technology Center, high-tech enterprises in Shanghai and Henan Province, state-level credit company and nationwide outstanding contractor. Having received 1 Li Chun Award, the most renowned award for high-quality project of China road transportation industry, received 2 National Science and Technology Progress Awards, received 8 China Civil Engineering Zhang Tianyou Award and 10 Luban Award, the highest award for construction in China, and having made 8 new records among Chinese enterprises. It has created several China's firsts and world's firsts. It has always played the core role of Star Enterprise and Grand Central Enterprise in the construction industry of China. Cut paths through mountains and build bridges across rivers. As China Railway Construction Commando, China Railway 15th Bureau Group has left a flash footprint in building more than 100 projects of common railway and high-speed railway, from Qinghai Tibet Railway, the world's highest alpine plateau railway, to Menghua Railway Line project that is under construction, the world's longest heavy-haul railway, from Qinhuangdao Shenyang Passenger Line, China's first passenger dedicated railway, to Northern Xinjiang Railway, China's first Eurasian Continental Bridge, from Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway, Wuhan-Guangzhou High-Speed Railway, Guangzhou-Shenzhen-Hong Kong High-Speed Railway, China's to Shanghai Kunming High-Speed Railway, Hangzhou-Huangshan High-Speed Railway, especially on December 3, 2012, in the commission of Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway, the world's highest railway operating test speed, namely 486.1 kilometers per hour, was achieved in the experiment section from Zhaozhuang to Bangbu, which was built by China Railway 15th Bureau Group. To be a pioneer with great courage and efforts, China Railway 15th Bureau Group has performed an outstanding performance in constructing successively about 120 high-grade highways in China, from Shanghai Jiaxing Expressway, China's first expressway, to Yulin Jingbian Expressway, China's first desert highway, from Yanqing Chongli Expressway, Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games Passageway, to Beijing Urumqi Expressway, La Lin Highway, and Gonghe-Yushu Highway, the world's first highway crossing the permafrost region of the Qinghai Tibet Plateau at high altitude and cold temperatures. Bridges linked south and north, making roads where there were barriers. China Railway 15th Bureau Group not only builds the bridges crossing the rivers, but can also build the bridge across the sea, with the capability of building all kinds of structural bridges, such as cable-stayed bridge, suspension bridge, and bridges with rotary construction method. It has built more than 3,200 railway, highway, municipal bridges, with a total length of 1,300 kilometers more. The core competitiveness lies in the construction fields, such as high pier, large span, and deep water foundation. As a proverb says, sweat softens thousands of heavy rock. Air gun breaks through thousands of mountains. China Railway 15th Bureau Group, praised as Pangolin by China Central Military Commission, has built more than 1,200 different structured railways, highways, and municipal tunnels in different geological conditions, with total length of 18 kilometers more. Starting from construction of the longest tunnel with highest elevation in the southwestern China, Guiyang Kunming Railway and Meihuashan Tunnel, China Railway 15th Bureau Group gained unparalleled competitive strengths in terms of the construction tunnels of super long, large diameter excavation, or complex geological conditions. Ever since the participation in constructing Shenzhen Metro Line 1 in 1999, China Railway 15th Bureau Group, a pioneer in China rail transportation industry, has been committed to creating a mass transit system for all cities of China for their own era. It has participated in the construction of the mass transit systems of more than 30 cities, including Beijing, Shanghai, Tianjin, Guangzhou, and Nanjing. Equipped itself with a large number of advanced tunneling board machines, such as Golden Dragon No. 10, Slurry TBM with the largest tunnel's diameter in China for soft and hard rock tunnel of railway. China Railway 15th Bureau Group has proven experience in operating large diameter TBM under complex geological conditions. As an exploiter in forefront of the industry, China Railway 15th Bureau Group is always committed to maintain the front-runner position by technological innovation when it comes to comprehensive transportation hub projects, integrating railway, subway, light, rail, highway, airports, and other functions. Implementing Shenzhen Futian Station Hub, the largest and fastest entire underground high-speed railway integrated urban traffic hub in Asia, and the largest integrated traffic hub project underground in China, Nanjing Qingao Axis Engineering Project Underground. It has accumulated lots of leading gigantic system management experience in the world and filled a number of gaps of the industry as one of the operational management trial enterprises of State Railway Administration. China Railway 15th Bureau Group has been operating safely for more than 40 years, without accidents, since the transit of Southern Xinjiang Railway in March 1975. It has 60 sets of locomotives and dual model of electric and diesel locomotives, including 20,000 tons, 10,000 tons of heavy haul, and other traction modes, covering Shuahuang Railway, Shenchua Railway, Baoshan Railway, and Dajun Railway, other Shandong Province railways, and main domestic transport lines. It has achieved a freight capacity of 12 billion tons kilometers and operating mileage of more than 3,000 kilometers. It has formed a complete industrial chain integrating operation pattern of vehicle, machinery, industry, electricity, and other vehicles. In the field of track laying, China Railway 15th Bureau Group has created 5 new national records of railway laying and erecting. It has 900 T-beam transfer machines and other 180 sets of large and medium-sized equipment, with an annual production capacity of 3,000 prefabricated bridge beams and 2.1 million sleepers. It has constructed the largest beam plant in China, Mopanjiang Beam Plant, which always defends the leading position in the field of railway paving and erecting in China, providing integrated oil wholesale and retail, bulk materials procurement, distribution and supply, transport of dangerous goods, and storage in field of logistics and trade. China Railway 15th Bureau Group is committed to providing customers with comfortable and complete solutions. China Railway 15th Bureau Group is a pioneer in water conservancy and hydropower projects, participating in the construction of more than 100 national large and medium water conservations and hydropower projects, such as leading Datong River to Qinhuangchuan Basin Water Diversion Works and South to North Water Diversion Project, the diversion tunnel of Hubei-Qingjiang Shuibuya Water Conservation Project, with a cross-sectional area of 250 square meters, created a record among similar projects in Asia. As a professional real estate developing state-owned enterprise, China Railway 15th Bureau Group has a full real estate development chain integrating design, construction, commercial development, and property operation and maintenance, with total construction area of more than 5 million square meters. For Central Party School Youth Apartment Housing Project, it was praised several times by Central Party school leaders, with the remark of Central Party School rests assured to hand over the project to China Railway 15th Bureau Group. A number of high-quality buildings constructed in Shandong, Henan, Guizhou, and other places, with CRCC Donglai Shangcheng as the representative, are widely favored with the local government's affirmation, owners' acceptance, and consumer satisfaction. Innovation leads the future. China Railway 15th Bureau Group adheres to the principle of Internet Plus, thoughts for big data and R&D platform for the whole industry chain, carries out capital operation, and establishes a strategic alliance with major domestic commercial banks for setting up a solid financial guarantee system, innovating the model of PPP, BOT, and other equity business models, exploring and developing advanced and emerging fields such as Sponge City, urban underground piping networks, water protection and conservation project, prefabricated houses, 3D printing, intelligent parking, and new energy charging pile, and some other new fields. China Railway 15th Bureau Group has successfully implemented a number of high-value added projects, such as the Yellow River Bridge in Jiyang, with investment and financing management and operation and maintenance level continuously strengthening. As Chinese enterprises accelerated steps into the overseas market share keeps growing. A number of projects with great influences have been implemented in Saudi Arabia, Nepal, Tanzania, and other regions. They are Saudi Arabia's North-South Railway Project, Lida Railway Project, Tanzania's Highway Upgrading Project, Hong Kong High-Speed Railway, Macau Light Railway, and other overseas projects. As a state-owned enterprise with social responsibility, China Railway 15th Bureau Group holds to the sustainable development conviction of green hills and clear rivers and beautiful China. Environment protection is emphasized throughout the whole construction process of all projects to continuously fulfill and enhance its social responsibilities. China Railway 15th Bureau Group cooperates with local residents to build together and actively participates in social welfare activities. It played a key role in the post-earthquake reconstruction of Wenchuan City to protect the green world and guard the safety of people. It always shows its responsibility and images as backbone of China. Remain true to our original aspiration and keep our mission firmly in mind. Developing with the Belt and Road Initiatives, Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei Cooperative Development, Xiong'an New District Construction, Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Great Bay Area, Yangtze River Delta Regional Integration, Yangtze River Economic Zone, and a number of other national strategies. China Railway 15th Bureau Group is imbued with the vision of industry serving the country and with courage for breaking through the way as a pioneer. Focus on its 4 key elements of developing CRCC's great value. Accelerate the transfer of production, business, and market. Is committed to become a high-quality provider of public services purchased by the government, a deep participant in regional economic development zone, and an outstanding practitioner of national strategy. Great contributions come from great ambitions. High diligence gains high achievements. To realize the Chinese dream of great Chinese nation rejuvenation, China Railway 15th Bureau Group wishes to hold the hands of all the friends and partners to collaborate in good faith for our mutual benefits, creating the legends and accomplishing the mission.